The first thing I noticed about this new book from best-selling author Amelia Khouri is that it isn't just a basic collection of sketches to copy. It is a full-scale structured course specifically dedicated to mastering realistic eyes. And drawing eyes is usually the most intimidating hurdle for any artist. But this guide, it breaks it down so cleanly that anyone can build up their confidence. This book was gifted to me, and I'd love to share with you a few portions so you can see just how gorgeous this book is. I absolutely love how this book is set up. It is set up into 6 different lessons, and you're able to look at those lessons by the color each here. There's learning the anatomy of the eye, proportion, and learning how to shade. Learning how to draw eyes from different angles. Drawing eyes with emotion. Drawing eyes of diverse ethnicities. Tips and tricks. And then again, that bonus section right at the end. From starting with the foundational anatomy to moving to 3D dimensions from any angle to guided high-resolution tutorials, this tackles iris patterns, textures, eyelashes, everything about the eye. This is a beautiful book by a teacher who knows how to teach you to master the art of drawing eyes.